Welcome to this tutorial on how to say Zelle, a popular person-to-person payment service. Pronouncing Zelle correctly is essential to avoid confusion and ensure effective communication. First, let's break down the word Zelle into its individual syllables. The word Zelle consists of two syllables, Z and Y. To pronounce Zelle correctly, start by saying the letter Z, which sounds like Z, then immediately follow it with the sound of the letter E, which is pronounced as L. The correct pronunciation of Zelle is therefore Zelle, with a slight emphasis on the first syllable. It is essential to note that the pronunciation of Zelle is often confused with other words, but it is actually quite simple once you get the hang of it. Now, let's practice saying Zelle together. Repeat after me. Zelle. Remember to start with the Z sound and then immediately follow it with the L sound. In practical scenarios, saying Zelle correctly can make a significant difference in your daily conversations. For instance, when sending money to a friend or family member, you can say I will send you the money via Zelle, pronouncing it as Zelle. Best practices for pronouncing Zelle include listening to native speakers and practicing regularly. You can also try recording yourself saying Zelle and comparing it with the correct pronunciation. In conclusion, pronouncing Zelle is straightforward once you understand the individual syllables and practice regularly. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you will be able to say Zelle with confidence and accuracy, ensuring effective communication in your personal and professional life.